Hello, I'm Jelani Liddell, the Student Development Specialist at Georgia Perimeter College, Decatur campus. Today's workshop is going to be on information processing. This is part 1 of 3. What is information processing? Essentially, it's how we take in and process information. What information processing incorporates is your learning style, it incorporates your review strategy, and also your study techniques. There's some other things involved with information processing as well, but these are the 3 major components that we'll be focusing on in this presentation. First one is learning style. We want to identify our learning style, and I want to go over what those learning styles are. We have the visual learner. You prefer using images and spatial understanding. You want to use charts, maps, film strips, notes, flashcards. You want to practice visualizing or picturing words and concepts in your head. These are the ways that you make connection with the information that you're trying to remember. And the last one is frequent visual review. You'll hear that word review a lot more throughout this presentation because reviewing is very integral in retention. Then we have the auditory learner. You prefer using sound or music. You want to sit where you can hear well. You may also want to use voice recorders to record your lectures so that you can review them later and pull out information that you may have missed the first time around. Then we have the tactile learner. You prefer using your hands and your sense of touch. You want to rewrite words or you want to trace words as you're saying them. This allows your hands to get involved with your information processing, and it makes the connection with what your hand does and what your brain is processing. Second one, you want to, problems and concepts should be practiced several times. Repetition, repetition, repetition. That's the key to retention. Also, the tactile learner, you want to make study sheets and you want to review them frequently. This next slide is a learning style inventory, and you can visit the website that's on the screen. What it does, it asks you a series of questions, and you have the opportunity to answer seldom, sometimes, or often. And at the end of that assessment, it will tell you what type of learner you are so that you can best use the tips that improve your learning style. That has been information processing. I am Jelani Liddell. If you have further questions, I can be reached at jelani.liddell@gpc.edu.